iPad 5 headphone jack replacement guide. Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, Phillips screwdriver. Power down your 9.7-inch Apple iPad 5 tablet. The iPad 5 touchscreen digitizer is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the rear case. Apply heat to soften the adhesive beneath the glass. Use a precision knife to create enough space to insert a triangle opening tool. With the triangle opening tool, slice through the sticky adhesive and decouple the iPad 5 digitizer. Be careful not to cut or damage any of the display cables. Do not try to fully separate the touchscreen yet, as several fragile ribbon cables still connected to the iPad's logic board. Once the adhesive has been separated, open the digitizer like a page in a book and rest it on your workspace. Remove all tape obscuring the LCD screws. Extricate the following 4 Phillips screws. Grab the LCD and lift it out of its recess. Be gentle and keep an eye on the LCD cable. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws from the display cable bracket. Pry the display cable bracket straight up from the logic board and remove the iPad 5 LCD. Remove the small piece of tape covering the home button ribbon cable connector. Use the flat end of a spudger to flip the tab on the home button ribbon cable ZIF connector upward. Pull the home button ribbon cable straight out of the ZIF connector. With a spudger in hand, carefully pop the 2 digitizer cable connectors straight up from their sockets. Remove the iPad 5 touchscreen digitizer. Remove the 3 Phillips screws followed by the metal bracket. Detach the front-facing camera connector from the logic board. Use the flat end of the spudger to lift the iPad 5 headphone jack connector straight up from its socket on the logic board. Peel up the tape covering the headphone jack cable. Remove the following Phillips screw. Slide the spudger under the headphone jack cable to free it from the adhesive, securing it to the rear case. Gently remove the iPad 5 headphone jack from its recess in the case. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.